call you?
Ash gray.
Ash Gray. Wow, parang hair color lang. Ash Gray, diba? How old is Ash Gray?
7.
Oh, you're 7 years old. So are you gonna sing or dance? Sing. But first, who bought your hat? It's very nice. Kinsa nag-buy sa imong hat? Sino isa ka?
Si Mommy.
Si Mommy. Where is Mommy?
Here.
Ayan, si Mommy. So, you're gonna sing? Yes, you're gonna sing. So, are you ready to sing? Yes. Ash Gray is ready to go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for contestant number 17, Ash Gray. Thank you so much, Ash Gray. Wow. Parang 36 years old na na-trap sa katawan ng 7 years old.